Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back, and what a crazy trading day it has been today. I hope you had a great trading day today. It's just the start of 2021 and we've seen some great moves already. Yeah, some great moves in the market. Gold moved as we anticipated, absolutely beautiful. And even EU, right? Even EU hit the supply and dropped down, but we'll go over EU as well. Let's start off with gold, right? I hope you guys caught this. I sent it out in the video yesterday. I hope you guys caught this trade because I know I did, right? So on the monthly, I did tighten up the supply, but this was our whole supply candle right here. So it has hit this and then come back down. Same again on the weekly. It's hit the supply on the weekly. And we can have a look closer up. We had a daily supply zone in the same position, right? And price filled up this imbalance as well. Looking a bit closer on the 4 hours, as I was showing everyone, there was a gap right here that needed to be filled, and we had a supply zone. So this is all nested on the monthly, weekly, daily and the 4 hours. And if you go down lower, you're all aligned with the same time frames, right? And then today we see this big drop, hit the demand zone and then come back up, right? So as you know, yesterday for my video I made a 20% scalp on this, and I had another position in play. Stop loss was at the top right here and my take profits was down here. So I fulfilled that today. Let me show you my trade. 530 pips and another scalp entry right here. So I took another scalp today. I'll go over the analysis, and this was on the 5 minutes. And when I was deep in profits, I moved the stop loss to a reasonable position. Once it hit my demand zone, I took profit at 530 pips. I just took what I can take. So this was an additional scalp which I took today along with yesterday's scalp, and I still have this short position in play. I do expect it to go down a little touch more, but my stop loss is well guarded on the daily and the 4 hour. So yeah, on the lower time frames we're going to see loads of noise. So this is where I like to scalp. Let's go and head over and have a look at the scalp, right? So I was sitting on the 5 minutes and we knew that this was going to sell, but I wanted to refine my entries. So on this trade I made 15% on this scalp trade. As you can see right here, this was the highest point which I made a supply zone, and I waited for the retest. I think I got in this a little bit late. I saw the retest. I didn't kind of enter straight away. I entered roughly around here. Stop loss was just above this candle, so it was more than what it was. Usually I would love to have a tighter stop loss than that, but 15% on a scalp on the 5 minutes. I know it wasn't as well as yesterday, but I've got another trade which will make up for that. So this added to my 50% in my scalping portfolio, and I dropped all the way down and took profits at 530 pips. Gold is measured in points with my pip calculator. It calculates in pips, so 530 pips, bang on the dot. And this was a good trade, and I've been telling you guys this is what's going to happen, and today it executed, right? So gold dropped. I can see it maybe hitting this again, the demand zone, but overall we're looking at buys. I'm looking at buys to go up to 3,000. I was going to take the all-time high, with all what's going on in America at the moment, with all the protests, we could see it well above the 3,000. But I want to get a good entry. I want to get a good price point. I don't want to be paying the premium for it. If I can get it down here, fantastic, which I doubt it, highly unlikely. There's another demand zone around here as well, so we'll see what price is going to do. For me, maybe I'll have a look at it tomorrow. I know NFP is on Friday. I don't really trade gold on NFP weeks unless I'm in a position and I know NFP is being used as the catalyst. So then at that point, I won't get into it. And again, I send these out all the time, right? Let me show you the group. I'll show you exactly. So what's the date today? The date is the 6th of January. And let's have a look at this one. So this was on a daily 4th. This was on the 4th. So a few days ago, I sent out my analysis. I saw the gold gap right here. I created the demand zone right there, and I said, "There's a supply. There's a supply." And that was 2 days ago, right? And what happened? Hit the supply and then sold off, right? So there was other aspects to it as well. It didn't just hit the supply. There was fundamentals behind it as well, which I'm not going to go through it, to be honest. But yeah, there was fundamental news behind it as well, which pushed price down. Okay, so for my next trade, my next beautiful trade was EU, yeah. And to be honest, I got in a lovely position. Let me just get EU. And my next trade is going to be EU. We had a supply zone on the monthly as well as the weekly. So we know that price is going to come down at some point and fill this imbalance. Maybe it may come down to here. Who knows what's going to go with USD at the moment. Potential to come down to this, maybe not. I don't know. I have to look at the fundamentals on this. Again, it's rejected the supply zone when it hits the daily nested demands. We have liquidity down here, and we have imbalances on this demand section right here. At that time, the buyers were in control. We hit the supply, and the sellers are like saying that, you know what, you found a premium spot, let's get in and sell at a premium price, which we saw today, which was this right here. It's come back up again, but I took profits well before that, so it may do a liquidity grab, or it could break it. I just took a scalp on this. I haven't really got into it properly. I haven't really took a long position properly, only took a scalp on this, which paid off well enough. Let me quickly show you. As we can see, it was only 70 pips, but my stop loss was really tight. Yeah, as you can see, we saw the equal highs over here. Let's come back up to mitigate. So this was a mitigation on this supply zone right here, and then dropped all the way down. So as soon as it got into here, my stop loss was above the supply. I'll show you the trade. So this was a 90% gain. Incredible, absolutely incredible how tight the stop loss was and how accurate the trade was as well. Let's go and have a look. As you can see here, as I was saying, there was equal highs right here, liquidity, and it made this nice structure right here with this imbalance on the 5 minutes. It made this imbalance right here, so I highlighted the supply zone. As soon as it come up, I was in. Yeah, I wasn't playing around. Stop loss just right above the supply, right? It come back to mitigate, and I saw this imbalance right here, and then it dropped all the way down. And as you can see, where I took profit, and this was a 90% gain on EU. So this was a outstanding trade. While everyone was trading gold, I was selling EU as well. There was other trades, but to be honest, 2 was enough for me. I made on EU 90% gain, and it was great. It was great. It's just once you understand the logic behind these moves, right, then you can have the confidence in getting into these moves. And because the stop loss was so tight, if I lost, I haven't lost that much, right? I've lost however much that I put down in my account, even if it was like 10% on an account, right? Because the stop loss is really tight, I've only lost 10%, yeah, or whatever I want to put down, and then I take all this. So I can risk bigger lots because the risk to reward is excellent on it. don't advise newbies to go out and start putting in like 100 lots on these sort of trades. Start small first, yeah, and then work your way up. That was my trading day today. I'm over the moon over it, to be honest. It's been fantastic. I mean, 530 pips on gold, 70 pips on EU, with a 90% gain just on EU alone, and a 15% gain on gold. So between the two, it's been fantastic. And even yesterday as well. Yesterday I said I ain't gonna trade no more, I ain't gonna scalp no more. But to be honest, when an opportunity to appear like this, then yeah, why the hell not? Yeah, you're not gonna say no to great opportunities like this. So when opportunities appear like this, just take them, go for it. Yeah. I hope you guys had a great week. I know it's been a crazy start of the year already. I hope you guys have been making profits, and like I was saying, 2021, make this year of profits. Yeah, make this year of wealth. Yeah, you guys can do it. I believe in you guys, right? If I can do it, anyone can do it, right? Just get onto the charts, start learning, yeah? Start studying, putting your mind to it, believe in yourself. The main thing is to believe in yourself, believe in your analysis, right? Never doubt your analysis. If you think that you're right, then just put the trade in, yeah? Never doubt yourself, all right? And thank you for watching. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you traded gold today. I know you guys did. I know a lot of people traded gold today. Let me know about your gains too. Yeah, it's all about sharing, and sharing it in a trading community, even if it's small little tips as well. It goes a long way, right? It goes a long way, just helping people out. Yeah, that's why I made this channel, to help you guys out, to help you guys catch these type of trades. All right, so all right, take care guys, and I'll see you on the charts.